Hi friends, welcome back to Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, I will going to show you how to use multiple database in a single Laravel application. So this is my Laravel 8 application and this is the database, and if you go to the project directory, we can see in .env file I am using Laravel 8 database, that is Laravel 8. Okay, so this is my Laravel 8 database, and now I am going to create another database and connect with same application. Okay, so just go to the database and create another database, that is Laravel 8 new. Okay, so now we have a two database, that is Laravel 8 new and Laravel 8. So let's configure in our environment file. So very simple, just copy this from here and paste it. Okay, and now change the connection and db host, port, database 2 and username 2 and password 2. Okay, so just I am taking the different variable. Okay, and here I am using Laravel 8 database and I am going to use Laravel 8 new database in the connection 2. Okay, so .env file configuration completed, and now we have inside the config folder we have database.php. so here we can see that is the default database, that is MySQL, and I am going to create another connection, that is MySQL 2. So very simple, just copy this MySQL array and paste it here and to rename this. Okay, so I am creating the rename here, and just like .env we will change the variable for this. So this is the db host 2, db port 2, db database 2, db username 2 and db password 2. Okay, so database.php configuration complete. Now I am going to create two model with the migration file, so that the two table will be created according to this model, and we will create two table in two database, that is Laravel 8 and Laravel 8 new. So let's create two models. So to create model we need to use php artisan make model. Suppose my model name is first db. Okay, so just write it here, first db, and I am going to create a migration file along with this, so just use -m. Okay, so model is created and created migration. So now I am going to create another model, that is second db. So to create we use php artisan make model, and the model name is second db. Okay, and same like previous we are using the migration, so -m. Okay, so two models are created and two migration is created. So just go to the project directory and refresh this. So inside the model we will get the two model, that is first db and second db, and in the database folder inside the migration we will get two migration, that is created first db table and created second db table. So let's configure this migration first. So for first db we will use Laravel 8 database. So just create column table string. Suppose I am adding the column name is name. Okay, and I am creating another column, that is table string and column name, suppose like phone. Okay, so now go to the second migration and add some column. So just like previous, use table and use the string. Suppose my column name is full name. Okay, and I am creating another column, that is table and suppose I am going to add the text type. So this is the text and column name is address. Okay, so two migration is ready, and here we are using second DBs for the second database. Okay, Laravel 8 new database. So we need to add the connection here. So very simple, just like connection, and use the name of the connection, that is MySQL2. Okay, so here is my, if you go to the database.php, we can see the MySQL2. Okay, and now go to the model. So basically the first DB is the default database and second DB is for the second database. So here we need to add the connection. So just use protected $connection and name of the connection MySQL2. Okay, so our model and migration is done. So now migrate this. So to migrate we need to use PHP artisan migrate. Just enter this. So we can see the migration is done, and now go to the first database, that is Laravel 8, and refresh this. So here we can see a new table is created, that is first DBs, and if you go to the structure we can see the name and phone is added. And if you go to the second database and refresh this database, we can see a table is created. So this is the second DB structure, that is full name and address. So now we can understand how to use multiple database in a single Laravel application. Next day we will discuss about how to add records and how to fetch records using multiple database connection. So please comment if you have any queries about this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.